In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen speaks with a medical expert who explains the difference between the common cold, the flu, and the dreaded COVID-19.
The common cold, flu, and COVID-19 are all infectious viruses that affect the respiratory tract. All three are spread in a similar way, that is from person to person and through direct contact with droplets.
And people who are, sneezing in the air and then other people inhale those droplets, you cough and you don't cover. And so people, can come in contact with the droplets as well. Droplets rest on surfaces, and then we touch those surfaces, touch our faces, touch our eyes, touch our noses and our mouths, and then we can get the infection. So there are similarities in terms of how it's spread.
But rarely does the common cold have serious complications. However, the flu and COVID-19 can.
With the flu, the symptoms are actually very similar to COVID, except with COVID-19, we're now being told that we need to watch out for fever and any one-off cough, shortness of breath, or difficulty breathing. And you may have headache. A few people do have sore throats. But one of the things with COVID is that it tends to mainly affect the lungs, and that is why it causes so much problems, especially in the elderly people, because of the impact on the lungs.
The flu and COVID-19 can also lead to the affected individual having pneumonia, which can cause the person to die. But in terms of treatment and prevention, the common cold tends to run its course, then go away.
The flu also is something that we can prevent by taking the vaccine, and there is treatment for the flu in terms of Tamiflu. And the other thing about the flu is that we know there's a season, and we know that the season is going to end and you're going to stop having these clusters. But bear in mind that flu kills more people than COVID has. Every year, flu kills more people than COVID has. So it's not something that we take for granted either. Now, in terms of COVID, one of the main things that it's really the problem for us is that we don't know enough about COVID because it's new. We don't have the kind of immunity in the population to help to stop the spread.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.